Hi guys, welcome back to another quick video. So I'm just going to use this video to answer a question that was asked on a previous video where I showed you how to use Fxdreema, the platform called Fxdreema, to create your own trading robots. You don't need to pay anybody in order to create your own trading robots, as long as you have a good trading strategy that is mechanical. What do I mean by mechanical? For example, if you go into conditions here, basically if this happens or this happens, buy. If whatever happens, sell. Those are what we call mechanical trading strategies that are different from discretionary trading strategies where it's based on your feel. So I said in previous videos, the only limitation with Fxdreema, for people that have been asking this question because they don't have money to purchase the license for MetaTrader 5, the only downside for this is for MetaTrader 4, if it's going to be for free, so it's going to be for MetaTrader 4. And also there's a limitation on the amount of blocks that you can use here. For example, there's only 8 blocks here. The maximum, I think, is about 12. I think it's about 12, 10 or 12. So here this robot is made with 8 blocks. So if you go beyond, I think, 10 or 12 here, you wouldn't be able to download your Forex robot. So those are some of the limitations on the free limited account. So you can actually do some good stuff with the free account. That's just my opinion, but if you want to do the complex stuff, then you just need to buy a subscription. It's not that expensive, but you know, people at different levels when they are starting out with their trading and also coming to this. So the question was, if I don't have money to buy the subscription for MetaTrader 5, because in order to use Fxdreema for MetaTrader 5, you definitely need to subscribe. You can't use it with a free account. What you do? So if you don't have money to pay the subscription, the alternative that I've always used was actually this is another platform for creating Forex robots. It's also free. The terrible part about this is you just need to ignore some of these adverts. I think that's how they support the platform. That's why it's for free. So that's how they support the platform. They use adverts and you don't pay for anything, which is a good exchange. You just have to sit through the adverts. You can use this for MetaTrader 4. So where it says EA generator, so this will be their default, which is for MetaTrader 4. So again, if you feel you don't want to do Fxdreema, you can actually come to this platform. It's called forexeaadvisor.com, and you can actually again start developing your mechanical trading robots. They've got several number of conditions that you can actually use. It's not as clean as Fxdreema. It's not as clean as Fxdreema, but it does the job. Now the question is, I don't have money to subscribe for MetaTrader 5. What should we do? You can simply come here and actually go here where it says EA Builder MT5. So if you click there, it's where you will be able to create robots for MetaTrader 5. And what you get at the end, is an MQL5 file. So you need to download that file, then go and compile it in the meta editor. I think I've done a video about that somewhere. I'll look for that video. If I find it, I'll link it in the description box below. So that's what you need to do here. if you don't have money to pay for the subscription for Fxdreema and to pay for the MetaTrader 5 subscription, what you can simply do is use another platform to create your robots. This is for MetaTrader 5 and this will be for MetaTrader 4. And after doing your robots there, what you end up with is where you can generate MQL4, or you can have the MQL 2 seconds, or you can have the MQL5 file. So I'll try to look for that video that I did about using the MQL4 and MQL5 files in your MetaTrader 4, but there are several videos online already or on YouTube already about how you can convert your MQL4 and MQL5 files in for use in MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. So yeah, just then to make this video just to answer that question, what do? I want to create a Forex robot for MetaTrader 5, but I don't have money to subscribe for the Fxdreema MT5 platform. What do? You can simply come to this other platform and you can use it to still make your robots for free again. No coding needed. You can still create your Forex robots for free, no coding needed. So yeah, I hope this quick video is helped somebody. Otherwise guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.